What's up guys, this is Eddie with WTI. Now, if you're into sports or working out or anything that's athletic and you want to maximize your effort, which I think you do, I highly recommend a waist trainer. The reason why is because this thing concentrates on your abs section and it allows it to sweat more, compress it more, and get more out of your workout. Now, it's made of highly quality material. As you can tell, it has velcro straps that are breathable. It's very well made, very well constructed. I've been really impressed with it. I personally like to use it whenever I play basketball, just because I can put it on and I know that my core's protected. I can run, do everything I need to do, adjust the straps according to how I feel. And at the end of the game, I feel fantastic. I know that I got a big sweat, especially in the core area, which is where I want to concentrate on. Overall, this thing is fantastic. It's very easy to use. You just put it on just like this. I'll show you. Just like that. Strap it on and you're good to go. This thing I use all the time. I absolutely love it. I think you will too. It works fantastic. You will get results, and that's my point of view.